In a hot skillet, put your hamburger meat down and then put a little olive oil, some garlic, and throw your onions in there. Let that simmer for a while. Keep watching your meat. Let the onions get a little translucent. You're going to let that simmer, so enjoy a sunset. Maybe just, well, like Maggie, lay around a little bit. But you can't totally forget about it. You need to move it around. Grab your favorite taco seasoning. Layer on a lot of that. Keep mixing it in. Lynn was inside chopping up the salad for this and getting it ready. I put a little IBC in this meat. Some of you didn't like that. Lynn also got some corn ready to put on top, some black beans and other things. As unconventional as that cream soda is, it really adds to it. Build these the way you do, but we put the meat on first. We put a little cheese on top of that. And then we're going to add the corn, some of the salsa, and some of the black beans on. Put a little avocado on. And then we crumble on some tortilla chips. Wow. And oh yeah, don't forget the sour cream.
What's for dinner?
Taco salad with sour cream, black beans, cheese, and some avocado, corn, and some taco seasoned beef. Oh man, I don't think a salad has ever tasted better than that salad right there. By the way, cooking, it's not about the food. It's about enjoying what you're doing with the people you're with and the place you are. And when it all comes together just right, doing your own happy dance and enjoying life. Bon appetit. The hamburger meat is good, isn't it?
Really good. Really good.
What the secret ingredient is?
Don't tell me cream soda.
Just a little dash of cream soda. Bring everything together.
It's whatever he's drinking.
That's true.
Beer would have been good too.
It would have. But I was drinking cream soda.
Okay.
This is good.